when I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. No one listen, these songs stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. So when I wake up, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? And can you see the stars? I just wanna see the stars.
Never really going on now. Papi have been hitting 7 years bad luck. 7 years. But you see today, we breaking that. Because what the man come? It's a vest, you know. Okay, no parallel clothes on our rack there, boy. No parallel clothes on our rack there. Let me show you how to break a little 7 years bad luck. Spree day. Show on that day. And today, you're jamming them. Nice, man. Study ball rolling with a little butter rush, eh? 2 butters one time. And all it's saying is dotsy like that size. Which one? A little one?
A little one. An egg.
An egg? You see that egg? Hey boy. Watch it now, boy. Nival big brother strikes again, boy. Sachin. Who you carrying that fish for?
Nival, boy.
Nival? Is she here? Nice, and you jam them, buddy. It's a little smaller boy, Sachin. It's a little one. Just show Papi what Reds look like now. 7 years of bad luck, you know. The man put on one of my shirt today. That a change, you know, Papi. 7 years of bad luck, this man. He say, boy, I mistake the man break the mirror, you know. The mirror 7? Eh? Yeah. Where's the one who is 14? That one is 14. Man, we have Mr. Ramasa just pulling them butters one after the next. But we have 2 dozen of butters there. He pull easy. Boy. All the jarring, Papi. Show Papi where Reds look like again, boy. Papi 7 years of bad luck, you know. Today you had a whole lot of fish, you know, B. Today you had a whole lot of fish, you know. You had to break that jinx, boy. Guys, I don't check his line. He line good. He have good bait. He have good everything. It's just if he luck will come his way. Excited. We thought Papi hold on. Hey, it's actually nick line, eh? Unlock there by Papi, boy. High pressure, boy.
Let's see how it feels.
Yeah, that's hold it. Hey.
Ah, boy, you can feed yourself now.
Nice one, Sachin. Hey, Papi, keep checking your line. Make sure you have good bait. Check it. Do something now, boy. Sap some water in your head or something, boy. Hey, boy. Don't worry, boy, Papi, boy. Your Chuck 9 fish hunting real good hunting, boy. We had to have one of that kind of guy on the boat, boy. You know, who help me cut bait and who help me, you know, take out fish and Chuck 9 fish hunting. Don't worry, Papi, boy. You're still serving a good purpose, buddy. Nice one. Hey, boy. I say I go catch one for Papi, you know, but I promise Devika one first, boy, Papi, boy. So I gotta send us one for Devika. Because you know what's going on with Sachin, all them fish going for RT. And Sachin? Feel here what's going on, eh? I don't know what we are doing with Papi again. When give Papi some chow. Jar with some garlic or something now, boy. Eat some chow, boy, Papi. Papi, me I know, boy.
Bye-bye.
I don't know what to do with you again, boy. Nice one, Sachin.
Our direction for Orange Valley fishing bay.
For the bay? After we go really understand you by the bay. Where you catch?
Small fish.
Yeah, boy, brother,
That
boy.
fish is passing.
Yeah, that is passing.
Passing no, boy, proper, boy. The man is good bay, the man put out junk.
Fish,
Now go outside.
fish glasses fall out, gone. Blind.
Well done, buddy, well done. Papi,
Boy,
look what redfish look like now, eh? You eat your way, Papi, boy. You eat your. Yeah, Mr. Ambassador. I find you twitching a little more than normal. Pull him, it, boy. Nice, man. Bring him inside. Oh, good, he come out there. Oh, jeez. A pompano. Yeah, I have him on the video there too, but it came off. The yellowtail cavalli. Wait, just raise that cooler. Let me see how that cooler looking there. Look at fish. One bag of ice there, raise up that day. Cooler almost plump. And Papi still yet to score. Papi, you there, boy? You awake? Don't worry, buddy. Keep at it. I'll show by the end of the day today you go pull a good fish. Yeah, boy, this is pressure, boy. Run, Papi, you're going to be pulling them kind of monsters, right? Someone get him up. Get him inside, eh? Hey, boy. Nice one, boy, Vin, boy.
yeah, boy.
Nice one. You jam them,
Long
buddy.
waiting for a fish to bite, no?
Hey. Well, if you waiting long, Papi waiting longer, you know. Oh, yeah. Not that. Brother boy, tell them what really go on there just now. Brother boy, I have a big one on the line. Papi run across to help, brother boy. From the time Papi touch the line, brother boy, what happened?
Fish cow, yes.
Papi, we could do with you again, man.
I had to release that fish, right? I had to release that fish.
You had to release that one, that was too big.
Yeah.
Alright, my
We
Papi.
didn't catch and release today.
Papi, you ain't catch nothing. I just touch a man line, the fish get away, all kind of thing. Oh, God, are they good in this place, you know? RT, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, nice. Doubles, line skating out. Where are they, Sachin? Hey, Sachin, give him our fish self now, boy, yeah? All our fish you want to carry for that girl alone, boy. Carry that one fish now. Right? Before she hang here.
Sachin, you're selling a fish, or? You hit? Well, I know nothing as it. I'll carry something. I go straight.
Hey, I want to buy the fish, yeah?
Put in the bucket now.
A nice one, Sachin. A nice fish, you jam in. Papi, this year is 2020. We're breaking out this year. All I didn't catch today. And next time we go take it, man. I don't know what to do with you again, you know.
Well, you was the fault in it. I tell you, bring a pink team t-shirt for me.
Here what?
You bring a blue. I never see a
I go bring a
new
pink one back
polymer
for you.
note in it.
I go bring a, you know, blue is a godly color now.
Nah, what pink? Pink, I'll get something, man.
Guys, look at the catch. Look at the catch. And Papi didn't even contribute a single fish. But he helped out with everyone, chack line, cutting bait, fixing line, helped me even clean up the boat. But that's the team there, the man in charge, and Nicholas right there, Vin, Sachin, brother boy. And that's what it's all about, fun man, fishing in KALPOO'S. That's one more for the captain's log. Signing out.
What it feels like. Got me back to it.